Hello everyone, welcome to AIPTECH channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to measure your continuity. How to measure continuity. When we talk about continuity, we mean maybe you are testing for 2 points, you are testing your wire, maybe they are still connected, electrically. We are talking about when you want to check whether current is still flowing through the wire without it breaking. So I'm going to be showing us how to do that. So before we get started, if you are just joining us for the first time, please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also don't forget to like, comment and share this video in order to reach others. So now let's start. So you want to test for continuity to check whether current or electricity still flow in a wire. Maybe you have a cord and you want to test it. You have an AC cord and you want to test whether the cord is still working. So this is what you will do on your multimeter, continuity. So now this is what we'll be testing. We'll be testing this wire. If it's still connected, it's still okay. So now you have to point your multimeter to continuity. This is this side of resistance. You can see this side. So you can use the boost, this one. So and then you take your probe. You're going to take your probe, insert, put one probe at the first end of the wire, and put the other at the other end of the wire. So which means this wire is still connected, it's still okay, and electricity can still flow through it. There's nothing wrong with the wire, as you can see. So now we'll be making use of our power cord. This is a cord. This is a cord using to charge our lamp. You can see. So we'll be testing whether this wire is still okay. Oh, sorry. So we'll be testing this cord. We'll be testing if this wire is still okay. So now what we do, you place one probe inside the cord. You place one at the first end and the second one to test the second end, which means you are just checking whether the wire is still connected. So you can see this side is still connected. You don't know if it is the positive or negative side you tested, but this side, which means this side is still connected. Then put it to the second terminal and then check the other place whether it's still connected. You can see, which means our cord is perfectly working. Current can flow through them because it has not been broken. You can still continue to be using this cord. So that's how to check for continuity, whether you have a cord like this and it's not working again. This is the method you have to use. Check for its continuity, whether it's still working. So this is the end of our tutorial. Thank you for staying with us to the end. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also comment, like and share this video. Thank you. Peace out.